In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add donation button to Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll have a simple, secure way for customers to add a donation at checkout, all set up through a trusted Shopify app. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, head to Apps. This is where we'll add a tool that creates a donation option without touching your theme code. In the Apps area, use the search to open the Shopify App Store and type Donation. You'll see several options. For this walkthrough, select DonateMate. It's designed to create a donation product in a clean, on-brand donation experience that slides right into your storefront and checkout. Open the DonateMate listing and click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to work properly. Approve the prompts, then click Install again to confirm. In a few seconds, you'll land in the app's onboarding flow inside your admin. On the welcome screen, click Next. The app will guide you through recommended defaults. If you see options already highlighted, you can safely keep them as is to get a quick setup. Next, you'll be prompted to create a donation product. Click Create Product. This is important. The donation product is what allows the donation to be added to the cart just like any other item. So it's tracked, reported, and processed through your existing payment methods. After the product is created, click Next to proceed. The app may show placement or display preferences. If you're unsure, keep the defaults for now. You can fine-tune later once you see it live. Click Next again to accept the recommended setup. When you reach a screen offering additional adjustments, choose Continue without changes to keep everything consistent with the default configuration. Finally, click Finish. That completes the setup. At this point, DonateMate has added a donation product and enabled a donation option on your storefront based on the defaults you accepted. Typically, customers will see the donation on a designated product page, in the cart, or during the slide-out cart, depending on your theme and the app's default placement. If you want to personalize it later, open the app settings to adjust suggested amounts, allow custom amounts, or tweak the wording to reflect your cause. A quick tip: test your store like a customer by adding a product and a donation to the cart to confirm everything displays and processes correctly. Also, remember that donations processed through your store are transactions. If you require tax-deductible receipts or special disclosures, consult local regulations or a qualified advisor. That's it. Your donation button is live and ready.